Yeah, we're going to get back to that in just a second. But first, let's talk about summertime and fungus and how much I hate it. You know, when I first started lawn care, I wanted to get out here and spray as much as possible, many times as I could. But I'm going to tell you what, I am so over that. I had a plan, and I followed the plan. Propiconazole, azoxystrobin, Clearies. Every 21 days as a preventative, I was rotating those. So why the fork? Am I still battling fungus? To me, that answer is pretty clear, honestly. This is Virginia. The humidity is off the chain. The watering balance, you just can't keep up with it. So it's gonna happen and I'm going to get it, okay? So I accept that fact, right? But what I can't accept, and I don't want to accept anymore, is putting these harsh fungicides in my lawn so often. Next year, or when I get this fungus in check, I do plan to use granular products more so than the liquids to put down into the lawn. I really like the Prophecy by Anderson's. I feel like I got the most results from that application. The first option is I can just let my lawn go dormant for the summer. Yeah, right. To be honest with you, I don't think I could sit by and watch my lawn turn brown for the whole summer. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to try this natural remedy that I've been reading about. And par for the course, I'm going to take you guys along on this ride with me as I test out this natural solution. I'm really not expecting any miracles. What I'm hoping for is that it just helps with the fungus and keeps my lawn manageable throughout the summer. We will mix 12 ounces of beer, 12 ounces of soda, a half cup of dish soap, a half of cup of mouthwash, and a half of cup of ammonia. This ratio gives you the perfect amount to mix in a hose-in sprayer. You can use any hose-in sprayer, but I'm going to use an Extra Simple Lawn Solutions hose-in sprayer that I had laying around. Since I wasn't really sure how this is going to react on the grass, I decided to use just a test area. And it's going to be this little area right in here that you see. And I'm going to use the arbor vitae as a landmark here. At the beginning of the season, I was telling you guys that I really do feel like less is more, and I'm trying to get back to more basic lawn care just to have a better lawn. And so that is the goal of switching over to this natural solution, just to see if that's going to help. Along with using this natural solution, the other thing that I plan to do is keep the lawn as dry as possible, as well as cut at 3 inches. I was cutting at 4, and maybe that's just a little bit too high for the summer. So I'm going to cut it at 3 inches to allow some more airflow through the grass blades. The updates to the experiment will probably be in the form of shorts. Just be sure to check back periodically to the channel if you're curious of how this little experiment goes. Until the next time, that is it. That is all. Take it easy. Can't waste the other 24 ounces.